There are birds here. I don't know what this one is. What does it say? Oh, it's the Oh, why is it so blurry? It's the Archaeopteryx. The Confucius thingy-majiggy. Leoxiamus. It's so blurry when I zoom in. I don't know why. Got some birds here. What's that be? I'm not entirely sure. The green one. I don't know what the green one could be. Oh, that's a 127586. I didn't know they would start naming species after their favorite numbers. That one is a bird. Wow, bro. That's a lot. What exactly is a bird? Ask this guy. I think he'll know. Also, I saw something over here before I started recording. Modern birds do not have teeth. I did not know that.